Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to add repeating occurrences of elements in two lists in Python. Introduction. In Python, you may encounter scenarios where you need to add repeating occurrences of elements from two lists. This tutorial will guide you through the process, providing a step-by-step explanation along with code examples. Example scenario. Let's say you have two lists, list 1 and list 2, and you want to add repeating occurrences of elements from these lists to create a new list, result_list. The desired result is to obtain a new list like this. Step 1. Initialize lists. First, initialize the lists that you want to combine. Step 2. Create an empty list. Create an empty list, result_list, to store the combined elements. Step 3. Iterate through lists and add elements. Use a loop to iterate through the list simultaneously and add elements to result_list. If the lists have different lengths, and you want to fill the shorter list with a default value, example none, you can use the zip_longest function from the Iterate tools module. Step 4. View the result. Print or use the result_list as needed. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can efficiently add repeating occurrences of elements from two lists in Python. This approach allows for flexibility, accommodating lists of different lengths with the zip_longest function if necessary. ChatGPT.